Now we study the poem that is Off to Outer Space Tomorrow Morning. Now I introducing new glossary words. Doze means sleep. Solitary means alone. Confinement means imprisonment. Gaol means prison. Capsule means part of the spacecraft that separates from the rocket. Center of gravity, weight due to the force of gravity or attraction. Tracking, following. Transgalactic means across galaxies. Blow your top means explode in anger. Rocket means a vehicle used for traveling or carrying things into space. Afar means far away. I will give a domain means I don't care. Know about the poet. Norman Nicholson. Although he identifies himself as a poet, he has written regional geography, literary criticism, autobiography, literary biography, and novels. All his work reveals a deep feeling for the South Cumberland coastal area bordered on the west by the Irish Sea and on the east by the Lake District. His poetry is noted for its local concerns, straightforwardness of language, and inclusion of elements of common speech. This is the image of poet Norman Nicholson. Now I read the poem Off to Outer Space Tomorrow Morning. You must follow my reading. You can start the countdown. You can take a last look. You can pass me my helmet from its plastic hook. You can cross out my name from the telephone book, for I am off to outer space tomorrow morning. There won't be any calendar. There won't be any clock. Daylight will be on the switch and winter under lock. I will doze when I am sleepy and wake without a knock, for I am off to outer space tomorrow morning. I will be writing no letters. I will be posting no mail, for with nobody to visit me and not a friend in hell. In solitary confinement, as complete as any gaol, I will be off to outer space tomorrow morning. When my capsule door is sealed and my space flight has begun, with the teacups circling round me like the planets round the sun, I will be center of my gravity, a universe of one, setting off to outer space tomorrow morning. You can watch on television and follow from afar, tracking through your telescope my upward shooting star. But you need not think I will give a domain, for you are what you are when I am off to outer space tomorrow morning. And when the rockets thrust me on my transgalactic op with 20,100 light years before the first step, then you and every soul on earth can go and blow your top, for I am off to outer space tomorrow morning. Hello friends, today we discuss about that poem Off to Outer Space Tomorrow Morning. This poem is written by Norman Nicholson. Norman Nicholson it is before that we go through the one of the activity before you read. Imagine that we have planned a trek alone in one of the dense forest next Sunday. If you are planned to trekking on the next Sunday, you have planned for a trekking alone, but you are planned for trekking for alone of the dense forest. Yes, you plan for going to dense forest next Sunday. What would be your emotions before trekking? Yes, before that, what are the emotions? What are the thoughts? What are the feelings you have before the trekking? Can you write a letter to your friend expressing your feelings? You can include the following words in your letter. Yes, you must use these words in your letter and write a letter to your friend about your planned trekking. What are the feelings you have before went to the trekking, and your preparedness, your readiness, how you ready to go trekking. Those all are matters you write to your friend. You share your feelings to your friend. Excitement means it is a surprising happiness. Surprising happiness. What will be happiness? How the happiness will get? This is one of the expectation. Apprehension means it is a physical action. How you went into the trekking, what are the physical activities you can do, like that. Eagerness means desire. How you wish, how you want to go the trekking. Doubt. What are the doubts you have about your trekking? Maybe you have the doubts of shortage of water, or maybe some visit unexpected animals, like that. Enthusiasm is a overflowing of your excitement. It is overflowing of your excitement with happiness. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸು ಅಥವಾ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವೋ ಹಾಗೆ enthusiasm. Confidence about the trekking. What the confidence you have. You write this word in the letter writing. And readiness. How do you ready to go to the trekking? Okay. Now we go through the poem. Here, this is the one of the poem that is a poet is sharing his feelings before he went to outer space. Before he went to outer space, what are the feelings he have? He is sharing those feelings to with his friend, with his wife. Here, Norman Nicholson. The poet is Norman Nicholson. You can start the countdown. You can take a last look. You can pass me my helmet from its plastic book. You can cross out my name from the telephone book. For I am off to outer space tomorrow morning. Yes, here the poet says like that. You can start the countdown time. You can, because now we are seeing in the news and in the television that when the satellites are launching, the time is counting down. 10, 9, 8, like that, decreasing order. After when it reaches 0, then it starts. Means that the work is starting. Like that, this is the time setting, countdown time. So here you can also start that countdown time because of the time is very near to that I went to outer space. You can take a last look. You can see me last moment. This is the last look. This is the last chance to you see before I went to space. He is saying to his wife. You can pass me my helmet from his plastic book. Yes, you can pass me my helmet. Regularly, he getting the helmet with the help of his wife. Maybe his wife is giving and wearing that helmet when he went to office. When he went to his office, then his wife maybe pass over his helmet. So that's why he says like that, you can pass me my helmet from its plastic work. Maybe it is a last chance for you. He is saying like that. You can cross out my name from the telephone book. Yes, you delete my telephone number in the telephone book because I don't know whether I am written or not. I will be written or not because I am going to the outer space. Now I am going to the outer space. Is they are thinking lot of thoughts, and we also think that maybe there is a chance to that he not return to back to earth. So that's why he is saying like that. For I am off to outer space tomorrow morning because I am going to outer space tomorrow morning. He says like that. There won't be any calendar. There won't be any calendar. There won't be any clock. Yes. In the outer space there is no calendars. There is no calendars and there is no clock because there is no use of these clocks and calendars. Only day and nights we get on the earth. In the outer space there is no day and there is no night. So then what are the use of calendars and clock? Daylight will be on the switch. Yes, daylight is always there is day. Because there is we are getting day and night because of the rotation of the earth. The rotation of the earth is rotating on its axis itself. That's why we getting day and night. The sunlight is avoiding by our earth. That is become night. So that's why in the outer space, when we go away from our earth, there will be always day. There will be always day. So that's why there is no use of calendar and there is no use of clock. And winter under lock. Yes, there is no season at all because the seasons also are only on the earth because the earth is rotating around, rotating on its axis itself. With that, earth is also revolves around the sun. Revolves around the sun. Because of revolves around the sun causes the season. Causes the season. Changing the season. That's why when we go away from our earth, then there is no question of season or day and night. I will doze when I am sleeping and work without a knock. But now what we are doing on the earth, when we get the night, then we sleep, then we go to bed. But on the day when the sun rises, then we wake up. But here on the outer space, there is no day and night. That's why when he feel dozy, means he feeling sleepiness. When he feel tired, when he want to get rest, then only he takes sleep. And wake without a knock. Yes, there is no one to wake him up. There is no one to wake him up on this space. You can wake up without any knocking at the door. So, for I am off to outer space tomorrow morning because the author is going to outer space tomorrow morning. That's why he is thinking all these thoughts. So that's why he is sharing the experience, his feelings. Before he went to outer space, what are the feelings he have? What are the thoughts he have? Now he is sharing through this poem. I will be writing no letters. Yes, I will not writing a letter anyone because there is no post office, there is no transportation of letters, and I will be posting no mail. Yes, there is no mail also. because the outer space, when he left to the left from the earth to outer space, there is no contact between, there is no directly contact between earth to space. So that's why he says that I will be posting no mail. There is no mail. I don't send any mail to you. So because this is the these are the thoughts he having. So he also feeling loneliness. That's why he is saying I will be writing no letters. If I will write the letter, how can I post you? How can the letter will reach you from the space to earth? That's why he is feeling like that. He is thinking a lot of thoughts. What will be happens tomorrow? In solitary confinement, as complete as any God. Here, in solitary means being alone. Solitary means being alone. Solitary means alone. He become alone and confinement. He become in prison. Completely he become alone. He kept himself in prison because that is the he posting no mail for with nobody to visit me and not a friend in hell. He is in solitary confinement as complete as any God. So he is become alone. So why? Because there is nobody to visit him. There is nobody goes to there to visit him. Because there is no vehicles to us, ordinary vehicles. We can't went to the outer space without any, without this spacecraft. Only we can go on the space with the help of the spacecraft. Here, the scientist, this one, Norman Nicholson only go to the outer space. So he is saying like that, nobody visit me. I become alone. Nobody visit me. And not a friend in hell. Not a friend. There is no friends. There is no friends. There is hell. Means that is the very cold place. That is very cold place. Hell means it is a high. Hell means very cold place. In that cold place, there is no friends. He has become alone. In solitary confinement as completely as any God. Yes, he is becoming completely alone. Like a prison. He was in prison like that. He completely sealed in the capsule. Completely sealed in that capsule. Means that is one of the space. That is one of the things that where the scientists living in that space. And with the instruments which are working. So there only he lives. So he become alone. There is no friends and there is nobody to visit him. So he completely alone. He completely become alone in the space. I will be off to outer space tomorrow morning because he will be off to outer space. Tomorrow morning he is going to the outer space. When my capsule door is sealed and my space flight has begun. Yes, when I went into the capsule. Capsule means that is which the part of spacecraft that separates from the main rocket. Yes, this is a part of spacecraft. This is one of the part of spacecraft. When it reaches that place, then it separated from the aircraft, separate from the rocket. That is called spacecraft or it is a capsule. When we go into that, the door is completely sealed because he can't come out of that, and if he come out of that capsule, he may be fall down and it will become dangerous to his life. And also the force of air is goes it's more than enough force, means the force of air maybe causes to broke down that capsule, and it also damage to the breathing process of that scientist. That's why the capsule is completely sealed down, completely sealed, and my space flight has begun. Yes, after sealing of the capsule, the spacecraft start to journey. With the teacups circling around me like the planets round the sun. Yes, there when he reached the space, there what happens? The teacups in the capsule, what the scientists use, those things are circling around him, because how he is comparing that to the planets which are rotating around the sun. How the planets are round the sun, how the sun is become center of that planet, that system, the solar system. How the sun is become the center of solar system, and how the planets are round around the sun. Like that, here in the capsule, the teacups are circling around the scientist, circling around that astronaut. So because why? Because there is, I will be center of my gravity. Yes, he is become the center of gravity, because in the outer space there is no gravity force. The gravity force is only on Earth. Gravity force means Gurutvakarshana. When we throw something out, it comes down. Because of that is the gravity force. That is the cause of gravity force of that is on only Earth. It is one of the best quality in the Earth, best features in the Earth, the gravity force. The gravity force is reason for that we can't fly out of the Earth. We are stay on the Earth. We are standing on the Earth because of only gravity force. So in the space, what will happen? There is no gravity force. That's why the things are circling around the science, circling around the astronaut. I am the center of my gravity, a universe of one. Yes, it becomes like a universe. That gives the imagination of the universe. Setting off to outer space tomorrow morning. Yes, he is ready to go to the spacecraft, ready to go to the outer space tomorrow morning. He is ready to go to the space tomorrow morning. So, why the scientist becomes center for gravity? Because of his weight. His weight is more than compared to the teacups and other things. That's why he becomes center of the gravity. You can watch on television. And follow from afar. Yes, you can watch my spacecraft on the television. You can watch me on the television and follow from afar. In the television, you also can see that is my spacecraft is moving afar. Means it goes distance. It goes away from the Earth. Tracking through your telescope my upward shooting star. As if you can observe my through your telescope. Using your telescope, you can observe my upward shooting star. How I reach the star. You can be shooting that like a star. My spacecraft will be seen like a star like that. So, but you need not think I will give a diamond for you or what you are. Okay, I will give you. But you need not think. But you don't worry about that. I will give you a diamond. I will give you a diamond for you are what you are. Yes, I will say you that you have the confidence about on me. You are thinking in the positive way. You are thinking about the light which will give in future. So what you are, I know. When I am off to outer space tomorrow morning, when I leave this earth, I ready to go to space. After I reach the outer space, what you are feeling, I know, I can understand. And when the rockets trust me on my galactic cope, when my rocket runs, trust me on my transgalactic cope. Transgalactic cope means across the galaxy. When the rocket moves across the galaxy, what will happen with the speed is like that with 20,100 light years. Yes, 20,100 light years before the first stop. The stop where, how the distance is, where the point that satellite is stand there to follow is steady. He went to outer space for conducting many experiments and he went to for many studies. He need many studies there. You want to get more knowledge on the spacecraft. That's why he went there. That's why he ready to go there. So here, how far he went? How far he ready to go? Here that is the distance that 20,100 light years. 20,100 light years. Means the speed of the passing light is for a second it moves 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs kilometers it passes within a second. Like that it passes through 1 year. It is called 1 Jyotirvarsha, 1 light year. The light passes in the time of the 1 year. How the distance it passes? A light rays passes throughout 1 year, which was that distance take. That is we call the light year, 1 light year. Like here, he went away from us or away from this earth, the 20 light year distance. 20 light year distance he went there, means the aircraft is passing like that very fast. So he went in the long distance. He 20,100, not 20 years, 20,100 years. 20,100 light years before the first stop. Then you want every soul on earth can go and blow your top. Yes, when this space shuttle, the spacecraft reach that place, that is 20,100 light years the distance. After that, where it stands or where it stops, then you may cheer with your happiness. You may your top level, you blow your top level. You can cheer or you can celebrate that moment with your energy. And all the soul, every soul on the earth celebrates that moment. Every soul which was on the earth is celebrating that moment. Yes, all the people will celebrate that moment when I reach the space, when I reach that particular point, when this space launching is become successful. Then all throughout the world, the people are cheering with excitement. Cheering with excitement. They feel very happy. They feel very happy and very celebrating mood. They are very in the celebrating mood. For I am off to outer space tomorrow morning. For I am. For him it is a out to outer space tomorrow morning. These all thoughts, these all feelings are comes in the mind of this astronaut. Astronaut means a person who ready to go to space. He is that scientist is this Norman Nicholson. Those who are ready to go away from our earth. He is after outer space. He is ready to go away from us, means he is ready to take any risk of his life. He maybe put his life in the risk zone. So like that here the poet is sharing his feeling, his excitement, his enthusiasm, his feelings through these words. He wrote this poem in his excitement, in his feelings. So this is one of the beautiful, most beautiful poem the poet has given us about his feelings when he ready to go to outer space. So here everybody has many feelings, many more feelings about this space shuttle. They are ready to go to that one of the risky work, that is one of the challenging work. So he is sharing his feelings with us.